Be the envy of your friends in this 2002 Holden Commodore. You can be accelerating down the highway in this excellent vehicle with a reliable 6-cylinder engine. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, CD player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, ventilated disc brakes. Ride in style with the included premium wheels. Keep your family safe on the road with the added security of anti-lock braking. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing these top safety components are included. Call today to schedule a test drive.